Welcome back. Goa Pradesh Youth Congress on Wednesday held a protest outside Australian Liquor Company's office at Porvorim. They presented a memorandum to the manager to stop sale of all the products made by the Australian company. They protested to condemn the attack on Indian students in Australia.
Goa Pradesh Youth Congress members held a protest rally outside the office of Foster's in Porvorim. The protest was held in view of recent attacks on Indian students in Australia. Area manager of Foster's, Santosh Chauhan, claimed that the Foster's company is not an Australian company.
So first of all, Foster's, actually this brand is manufactured and marketed by South African Breweries Limited in India only. Okay, and we are manufacturing this brand in Aurangabad, that is in Maharashtra. So it is nothing to do with the Australian company, what it was earlier, Foster's. Okay, just 2 years back we have taken over this brand.
President of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Sankalp Amonkar briefed more about the agitation.
गोंयान जितले ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्रोडक्ट्स आसा दॅट कम मायट बी फ्रॉम बिस्कीट चीज आनी बाकीचे जे प्रोडक्ट्स आसा ते सगळे बॉयकॉट करचे म्हणून सो आमी यूथ काँग्रेसीच्या थ्रू गोंयकारांक आमी अपील करपाक सोदता की हे प्रोडक्ट्स सगळे स्टॉप करपाचे तेंचे आमचे इटेबल्स प्रोडक्ट्स आसा आनी बाकीचे प्रोडक्ट्स आसा ऑस्ट्रेलियनचे जे सगळे प्रोडक्ट्स स्टार्ट आनी जो सगळ्यांक चड सेल जो गोंयान आयज जाता ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्रोडक्ट तो आमचो फॉस्टर्स बियरीचो प्रोडक्ट सगळ्यांक चड सेल जावपाक जाता सो तेच्या लागून फर्स्ट आमी फॉस्टर्सचो जो सेल आसा तो पयलीं तांकां स्टॉप करपाक लायलेलो आसा.
Our reporter in Porvorim, Shyam Sundar Fatti.
Health Department has disclosed that 85% of the malaria and other vector-borne diseases are spread by migrant laborers and workers. This information was revealed in the advocacy meeting on National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program held at Kankon.
Dr. V.R. Muralidharan, health officer in this meeting, in an audio-visual presentation disclosed that the 85% of vector-borne diseases are spread by laborers and workers who migrate to Goa. He also gave us more information on the type of mosquitoes.
About 20% or 25% is falciparum malaria. Falciparum malaria is dangerous because it affects the brain and it causes deaths. Whereas Virax malaria causes fever, all those things are there, but then it affects the liver and remains in the body for a long time. And there are chances of what is known as relapse, Paratheopathy chances. Whereas falciparum malaria, it comes in one go and usually dies off unless you are bitten by another mosquito.
Many government officials and social workers were present for this meeting. Our reporter from Kankon, Prasad Pagi.
Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar has declared that the Digambar Kamath-led government will bring out the sports policy within 15 to 20 days. He was speaking at the felicitation function of the Santosh Trophy Heroes on Tuesday.
स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी किती वर्षापर्यंत चालू असते पण जाऊन असलेली आज दिगंबराने सरकार आणि आम्ही या सरकारा भितर आम्ही रात दीस प्रयत्न केला आमचं डिपार्टमेंटान प्रयत्न केला आणि तुमच्या मुखार हाडलेली आणि आम्ही उतर दितात की या 15-20 दिवसा भितर आम्ही स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी लोकां मुखार दवरतलेच की स्पोर्ट्सान आमचो भुरगो जशे एज्युकेशनान आमचो भुरगो तयार जाता तसो स्पोर्ट्सांनी जावपाची गरज आसा कारण हर एक पेरेंट्सान स्पोर्ट्सान मुखार हाडपा खातीर प्रयत्न आहा त्याच्या खातीर ह्या स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसीची चडांत चड गरज आसा. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हा ते मुखार व्हरपाची आमची गरज आसा पण तितलो पयसो आमचे कडेन ना. आमचे फातोर्डा अपग्रेड करपाचे आहा बाकी मागीर पेडण्या ग्राउंड आहा ते अपग्रेड करपाचे काही कुडचोरे अपग्रेड करपाचे अशे कोट्यांनी रुपया आमकां गरज आसा.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath promised immediate disbursal of all pending awards of last 5 years.
सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसा की स्पोर्ट्स मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर एनकरेज जावचो स्पोर्ट्समॅनाक एनकरेजमेंट मेळचो. आजच आमी काही इश्यूचेर डिस्कशन केलें स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसीच्या आनी तातूंतल्यान थोडे जे मार्क्स दिवपाक जाय स्टुडंट्स म्हणजे स्पोर्ट्समॅन आसा तांकां मार्क्स दिवचे पडटा परफॉर्मन्स बरें केलें जाल्यार किंवा खंय तांकां कॉलेजींनी जाग्यार रिजर्व दवरचे पडटा किंवा खंय तरी कॅम्पाक गेलो जाल्यार तांकां स्पेशल कन्सेशन किंवा रिलॅक्सेशन दिवच्या हाचे संबंधी आज आमी काही गायडलायन्स फ्रेम करपाच्यो ठरयल्ले आसा. म्हाका दिसता दीस गायडलायन्स and these directions will help tremendously those young sportsmen who want to perform for the state, perform for the country and come up in the field of sports. Prize दिवपाचे असल्यार आणि म्हाका दिसता ताजो 4 मोता मागीर 2 वर्सांनी ते प्राइज जर दिलें किंवा 2 वर्सांनी ते अवॉर्ड दिलें ते अवॉर्ड दिवपाक जो 4 आसता तो 4 मन आसता ते तुका मागीर 5000 जावं 10000 जावं किंवा 50000 जावं ते आज डिक्लेअर केलें 8 डिसेंबर ते अवॉर्ड मेळपाक जाय म्हाका दिसता हाजे मुखार गव्हर्नमेंटाचो प्रयत्न आसतलो की अवॉर्ड जे डिक्लेअर करता दॅट अवॉर्ड हॅज टू बी गिवन विदिन 8 to 15 days अशें म्हाजे स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर आनी स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटीचे हांकाय बी हें आसा की you try to give that award within 15 days. Now you are going to give all the prize money for last 5 years. गेल्ले 5 वर्सां खंयचे अवॉर्डा कोणाक दिवून आशिल्ले हांव म्हणलें एका धपक्याक सगळीं घेवन उडय चल आनी चॅप्टर क्लोज करा हाजे मुखार जे अवॉर्ड डिक्लेअर जाता ते 8 ते 15 दीस भितर दिवपाचे.
Our reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Yeshwant Parab.
Let's watch the headlines once again. State observes Revolution Day today. Remembers clarion call of Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia to stand against Portuguese colonial rule. Suspected swine flu patient in Goa tests negative. Health department says they are ill-equipped to handle the flow of domestic tourists. Panji Municipal Corporation faces another danger. Workers threaten to go on strike. Ultimatum to settle 6 pay areas ends on Thursday. Thuran brings to you the brave policemen who caught the 4 dacoits. A special with the Tuesday heroes of Goa Police. Dacoits attack Vasco Yeshwantpur train. Railway police nabbed the dacoits at Londa and Dharwad. And sports policy in 15-20 days. Pending awards to be cleared soon. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.